Hi everyone. To start your color value paintings today, you have 3 pieces of paper. On the first one, you're going to start by putting your name on the back. And then on the front, you're going to make 2 wavy lines. They can look any which way, they just have to be 2 wavy lines. Each of these sections should be about even, not perfect, but about even. Then at your table, you have your very own paint palette that Miss Buettner has filled up for you with 3 spaces of white and then 3 spaces of color, purple, blue, and green. So we're gonna start first with the purple. Now to mix up 3 values of purple, we are going to carefully take little dabs of purple and put it into one of the white spots. So I'm gonna use my brush to take just a little bit of purple. I don't want a lot. See how I just have a little bit on the tip there? Mix it into my white space until both colors are fully mixed. You'll know that they're fully mixed if you don't see any swirly patterns. It's all just one color. Looks like it's good. So I'm going to use this color now to paint one of the sections of my paper, and I'm going to do it on the top. All right. Once I finish that light purple value, I'm going to now take another spot of dark purple and put it into the light purple spot again. Mix it up again until you see no more swirly colors, just one solid color. And you'll see I made another purple, but it's a little bit darker than the first. Okay, for the last space, I'm going to take a little bit more purple and add it into that space. Mix it up. I might not have a lot of white left, just a little bit of white, mostly dark purple. Okay friends, when I finish painting this paper, this is going to go on the drying rack, and I am going to grab my second piece of paper, put my name on the back. Now this time, I'm just going to divide this paper up into 3 sections with straight lines. They don't have to be perfect at all. I'm going to rinse my brush off, get all that purple off, because now we're about to use blue. So make sure I get all that purple off, scrub it on my sponge really well. Okay, find your paint palette and look for the next open white paint spot, and you're going to take a little bit of blue. Not a lot to start, just a little bit, and mix it into your white space until you make a nice light blue color. And there's no more swirly marks. It's just one solid light blue color. Use that light blue color to paint your first section of your paper. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit more blue, mix it into this spot. So I should have a light blue again, but it's a little bit darker than the first light blue. All right, finally, I'm gonna take a little bit more blue, put it into that spot that I've been mixing in, and paint my last spot. All right, I've finished my blue, put that on the drying rack, and then take my last paper. Again, put my name on this, on the back. And for this one, we are going to paint green. So I'm gonna wash all that blue off my brush. And you probably guessed what the first step is. Take a little bit of green and put it in your white space. Mix it all up. A nice light green color. Add a little bit more green into my space. Mix it all up, get all that light green into the spot. And finally, take one more spot of green, mix it up, get all that green in there, use all of it up. I'm gonna put a little bit more so it's much darker than the first 2. All right, I finished my color value pictures. I'm gonna put all these on the drying rack, and I am finished for the day.